Us y'all people, we are about to go to downtown Knob Noster. Chris and I, he's getting stuff. Look at this. I don't know if you can see, I don't know if he's in focus, but we're gonna go do a scavenger treasure hunt. We're doing a treasure hunt.
Oh man.
What?
It feels good.
Well, you did just get done working out. Are you sure you don't want your jacket?
No. Let's go.
I'm gonna have to give him my sweatshirt. Treasures is where we are actually starting at, and what you get is you get a little card explaining what's going to happen. Then you get a punch card, and so you go to the different businesses, put in the punch card, and then you get a clue and go to the next thing that is the clue. So our first clue is this. 100 grand. Where would you get 100 grand? Which is the bank. We found the treasure box, and it says, we already got our stamp. We're a little ahead. It says, focus. Can we help you with a wedding, prom, or funeral? And the answer is Chris.
Flower shop.
Flower shop. Rick's flower shop. One stamp down and many more to go. So that bank was Equity Bank, and that is the, I think, only bank in Knob now. No, because there's one that's next to Dollar General. There's two banks now. So now we're at Brooks Florist and Decor, which is under new management. So the girl from B&G's actually owns this place. So we found it. It was in here, and it says, this next stop can help you get rid of all your dust bunnies.
I know where it's at.
Yep. Yay! Have fun! Focus! Sweetness. Okay, so this place isn't open, but we have this. Show me dust bunnies. The clue, it says, next up you can start your morning nice and hot, then cool you off in the afternoon with a creamy dessert, which is right there, B&G. So our next clue brings us here to B&G Scoops, which is my favorite place. Okay, what does it say, Chris?
The next clue is buried in this nest.
Ooh. Where do you think it is?
The lady kind of gave it the secret, right? You see what it is? Sparrow or something?
Sparrow's nest? Oh, it was up here? Oh snap, it was up there. Yeah. Sparrow's nest. Next clue is the sparrow's nest.
Next stop used to be a glorious store.
Grocery store.
Grocery store, yeah.
What will it be next? Watch and see. What used to be a grocery store, Knob? So this was Tyler's Market. This used to be the thing, and the clue was right there. Alright, so here's the next clue. You can have a blast while finding the next clue, but there's no business cards! Okay, so the blast would be a sonic blast, and we're about to go in to find out. Alright, too much of a blast, you'll pull a muscle. I did that yesterday. The next stop can help you recover. The ladies will give you an ACE treatment, and be careful going down the hill. Sweet!
Good luck, guys.
Our next stop is a physical therapy place, which would be nice if they can crack my back. Okay, now you're seeing black and blue. This place used to quench your thirst, but now it feeds your belly on Thursdays and Saturdays. What is this place? I found a nut break. So this was the old Sarge's place, and we found the clue in here. So cute. Alright, here you take a break with a new read. Yep, library! Go to the library! Okay, so we're at the library now to go find the other treasure chest. It's right there. It says, whoop. Spring is here, time to spruce up your home with some new decor. Oh, good. Sweet. Alright, so we are at Abigail's, and she does furnishings. Really nice furnishings too. Clue.
Stop in here to pick up your dinner supplies.
Myers Market.
Yep.
Now we're at Myers Market. Alright, what does it say?
This is a place to go to your hobby crafts, project supplies, and learn a craft or two.
Back to nothing but treasures.